Whether you're selling your home to begin a new chapter or refinancing your existing home, getting an appraisal with the value that you want is a challenging hurdle to clear. So stick around for my 7 appraisal tips for a higher value. Hello everyone, Meral Ibrahim here, broker associate with Coldwell Banker Realty in the beautiful Palm Beaches, Florida. If you've been here before, thank you and welcome back. If you're new to my channel and want to learn about lifestyles, communities, and some real estate in South Florida, click on the subscribe button and bell so you will be notified each time I make a new video. In this video, I'm talking to all of you homeowners out there who are thinking about selling your home and what you need to know to get a higher appraisal value. This can also apply if you're refinancing or taking out a home equity loan. Regardless of the purpose of the home appraisal, you may be wondering how to raise your home's value to ensure that you get the highest appraised value possible. So here are 7 appraisal tips. Tip number 1, research your competition. Look at the sales prices for homes in your area that are similar in square footage, layout, upgrades, and condition to your home. If your neighbor's home is similar and they just got a great sales price, that comp will affect your home's value. It's best not to go back more than 6 months, but the last 3 months is typically how far back the appraiser looks at comparable sales. Frequently, appraisers lean on the expertise of a local realtor for verification of sales comparisons, and this is where your realtor can engage with the appraiser and be available for the appraiser so that they may answer any questions that come up. Tip number 2, complete minor repairs. Now is the time to break out that to-do list that you've been meaning to get out. Put an end to the running toilet, oil the hinges on that squeaky door, deep clean the carpet, pressure wash the exterior, fix blemishes on walls, or better yet, add a fresh coat of paint. The idea is to remove any signs of deferred maintenance because though they may seem inconsequential to you, to an appraiser, they can downgrade the overall condition of your home. So take a tour of your home and survey all those small fixes that you can handle. I do have a video about how to prep your home to sell, and it goes into more detail about ways you can prepare your home for market. There are additional tips in that video, so be sure to watch to the end for that link. I will also put it in the resource section below. Tip number 3, enhance your home's curb appeal. The Appraisal Institute states that landscaping can drive property values. So curb appeal really matters to appraisers as well as potential buyers. So what else can you do other than pressure washing the exterior of your home? Well, how about mulching the flower beds, adding fresh flowering plants at the entrance or in containers, wipe down exterior light fixtures and replace burned out light bulbs, and clean up and stage patios and porches with seating and pillows. Tip number 4, consider minor upgrades. And the emphasis here is minor. Upgrading your home for an appraisal is always a gamble. If you invest too much money into a full remodel, there's a chance you won't recoup your investment in added value. That being said, smaller upgrades are usually worth the effort. This can include things like a fresh coat of paint that I mentioned earlier, replacing dated bathroom vanities, switching out older fixtures. If you've been in your home a long time, some of your lighting fixtures are a little outdated. Replace them with something more current in style to give a fresh, updated look without breaking the budget, yet making a big impact. And make sure all your major systems have been serviced and that everything in the home is maintained and functional. Tip number 5, create a file of recent improvements and upgrades. If you have spent money on your home in recent years, save all the receipts. This can be a valuable way to show the appraiser what you did to improve and upgrade your home and how much you spent. And if permits were pulled as part of the home improvement, include documentation for this as well. Tip number 6, clean, clean, clean. Clean and tidy homes look newer and more attractive to appraisers. and buyers. Do a total thorough cleaning from top to bottom, as this will give the appraiser the impression that you maintain your home meticulously, and it will help you get a higher appraised value on your home. Tip number 7, give the appraiser space. Be diplomatic, be as nice as possible, but not pushy, and let them do their job undisturbed. This is where your realtor's presence can better help you. Your realtor can answer questions about your house and the neighborhood. Remember that file I suggested that you can prepare? Give that to your realtor ahead of time, and what I do is prepare a binder for the appraiser with your receipts and permits, if any, as well as a copy of the listing report, a copy of the sales contract, a copy of the comparable sales used to come up with the sales price on your home, a copy of the tax rolls for the property that contains pertinent information, and anything else that is available, such as a flood elevation certificate and floor plans. When the appraiser shows up at the house, your agent will hand the folder to the appraiser as a courtesy, and I have never met an appraiser who didn't appreciate this information. At the very least, it will save them a great deal of time searching around for information. And like I said before, do not shadow them. They do this every day. They know what to look for, and you can run the risk of annoying them or accidentally revealing too much information, which can hinder more than it helps. I hope you got something out of these 7 home appraisal tips to get a higher appraisal value. Be sure to check out this video. There's a link below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it so you'll be notified of my new videos. I put out a new video every single week, so you don't want to miss them. Hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.